In this video, I will show you how to average values if the cells are not blank in Excel like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some order data containing product code, color and amount. Some of the color values are blank or missing from the order details. Now I want to average the order amounts if the color cell is blank as well as if the color cell is not blank. To average the cells not equal to a specific value, we can use the Excel AVERAGEIF function. The AVERAGEIF function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet the given criteria. This function accepts three arguments: a cell range, a criteria, and an optional average range. Let's first average the amount if the product color is not blank by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type AVERAGEIF followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to compare the color, let's select the range of the cells containing the product color as the first argument. Type not equal to sign in the double quotes as the criteria argument, which means not equal to blank. We want to average the amount if the color is not blank, so let's select the cells containing the order amount as the average range argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average order amounts if the product color is not blank. Now let's average the numbers if the color is blank. I will use the same AVERAGEIF formula, except that I will use empty double quotes as the criteria argument like this. As you can see, we now have the average of the numbers if the product color is blank. We can also use the AVERAGEIFS function instead of the AVERAGEIF function. The AVERAGEIFS function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. Please note that the order of the arguments of the AVERAGEIFS function is different from the AVERAGEIF function. To get the average of numbers if the product color is not blank, using the AVERAGEIFS function, I will select the amount range as the first average range argument, product color range as the second criteria range argument, and not equal to sign as the third criteria argument, like this. Similarly, to get the average order amount if the product color is empty, I will select the order amount range as the first argument, the product color range as the second argument, and the empty value as the criteria argument, like this. As you can see, we now have the average of the numbers if the color is not empty and if it is empty. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.